Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a full face of Maybelline products. A lot of them are favorites and then some of them are first impressions, and I created this look. So if you want to see how I did it and what I thought of all of these products, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with primer. I have the Baby Skin Instant Pore Instant Pore Eraser. So I have my hair pulled back. And I'm just going to put this on my nose and where I have like pores, and I'm not going to put a lot so that I don't break out after this video. Okay, and then I'm going to go into foundation. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. I have both the matte and poreless and the dewy and smooth. So I think I'm going to mix them together. So I think I'm going to put the matte and poreless on the center of my face and the dewy and smooth on the outside of my face. And they're both in Classic Ivory 120. I don't even think I've ever used the matte and poreless one. Okay, so I poured out a lot on my hand, so I'm just gonna use as much of this as I can. And then I'll blend this out and then go in with the dewy and smooth one. And I'm using this foundation brush that I used in a challenge video, and it has eyeshadow all over it, so hopefully it won't make a difference. I feel like even though this one and the other one are the same colors, I think this one is more of my shade match than the dewy and smooth one. I feel like the dewy and smooth one is a little darker. Okay, and I'm going to build it up a little bit with the dewy and smooth one. That's a lot more watery. I just poured out half the bottle on my hand. We're going to be full coverage today. So I guess I'm scratching the idea of putting the matte and poreless on the center of my face. Okay, so we are nice and shiny. Now, I just got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Clair. And this is actually a first impression for me because I've never put this on my face. Oh wait, I'm not doing this yet. I gotta do concealer first. So I'm gonna use, I have two. I have the Fit Me concealer and the Adri one. I think I'm gonna use the Adri one because the Fit Me is a little too dark for me. I'm gonna blend that out with the same brush I use for my foundation. And this is actually one of my favorite concealers, so I already know I'm gonna like it. I do have like four new products that I've never used before. Alright, so now I'm gonna set it with this powder. Do you use this powder?
CoverGirl.
Definitely brightened my under eye, for sure. I can't tell if that made me look cakey or what. Definitely took away some of that shine, for sure. So this might be really good for oily people. Now I'm gonna do some blush, and I just got a new blush. I feel like this whole video is Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Berry. And this is like a really deep berry tone, so hopefully it's not too dark. I'm going to go in with a really, really light hand. Weird things are happening on my face right now. I think this powder is like breaking up my foundation weirdly. Probably can't even see it on camera. Oh well. Oh gosh. I can see that on camera. This blush is like really, really pigmented, but it does blend out really well. And I really think this powder is like messing things up on my face. So I don't know how I feel about it. But I really like that blush. Blend it out really well. I'm going to do my brows next because I think I need some. And I got this Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in Deep Brown. I've never used this before, so this is another first impression. It's really weird because it has this like tiny little spoolie on the end. Like that's it. That's all you get. And it's like it's shaped like a kite. I can already tell I don't like this spoolie though. I think I really like the actual product. I just don't like the spoolie because it's so weirdly shaped. Alright, well I definitely have brows now. I think I really like the shape of this because the point is really nice to get like hair-like strokes. Alright, and then I got this. I'm really excited for this. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. It looks like this. This is it. It's really nice. It's really soft. When I first touched this, I was like amazed because it's so soft. The only thing is, I normally don't look great in gold highlighters because I have really fair skin. So we'll just see how this goes. I'm using this fan brush. It's really, really nice. I think you can see that. I dig it, I dig it. That is metallic. Alright, let's highlight the nose. This is not for those of you who like a subtle highlight, for sure. And I think they have other shades in this that probably would have worked better on my skin. Alright, now we're gonna do the eyes. So I have like a bunch of random different eye things. So I have these two Maybelline quads. One is in Modern Metallics. And then this one is in Charcoal Smokes. And then I have this little like silver color, and this one is in New York Silver, and then this one is in Nude Glow, and this is a matte one, and this is in Linen. We're just gonna do a little mixture of everything and get some kind of look. So I'm gonna go into the single one in Linen, and I'm gonna put this all over the lid because I got some of that concealer and foundation on my lid. And this is just so that we have a powder base, so when I put eyeshadow on, it doesn't like skip weirdly. Oh, the one I said was Modern Metallics is like Modern Metallics, but the name of it is Enchanted Forest. I'm gonna go into this dark color right here. We're just gonna do it. I'm scared.
I like it.
I'm just putting this into the crease. Being careful not to like blend it up too high because it's really dark. And I'm going in with a really light hand so that it doesn't get everywhere. Alright, and then I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush just to blend that out, and I'm going to use this white base color that's in the palette. Alright, and then I think for the lid, I'm going to use this, one of these. I think I'm going to use this Nude Glow, and these two are actually some of my favorite shadows, but I've heard that some of them aren't as good as the others, so I can only speak for like these three colors that I have. Because that's kind of showing up like the same color as the crease color, so I might go in with the New York Silver one, just to give us a little something different on the lid. And I'm going to take New York Silver and just put that right on the inner corner. Okay, and then I think I'm going to use this palette right here. This is the Charcoal Smokes one, And I'm going to go into this black one, and even though it's like a shimmery black, I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. I'm going to take this flat Morphe brush and use this. I'm just going to like stamp it on the line. And when I was in like junior high, my mom wouldn't let me wear liquid liner. So this is how I did eyeliner. This is the only way she would let me do eyeliner. We're going to kind of like wing it out a little bit. So now I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to go into this blue color right here and put that on the lower lash line. Alright, so we are done with the eyeshadow. And I do not have a Maybelline setting spray, so I'm just going to go in with my regular setting spray. And this is the Scandinavia Finishing Spray in Bridal. Okay, so this powder has definitely made my makeup look really cakey. Do you agree? I'm going to go with the lips, and I have this lip liner. This is a Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Rich Wine. And then I have this matte lipstick in Divine Wine. I like never use actual lipstick, so the application wasn't the best, but it is on. Now I'm going to do some mascara, and I have the Great Lash Mascara, which is like Maybelline Classic. So I'm just going to put that on really quick. So final thoughts on these products. I love the foundations, obviously. The foundation has been like my favorite. And I don't know if my makeup looks cakey because of the powder or because I put like half a bottle of foundation on my face. But I'm going to keep trying the powder. And if I've tried it more before this video goes up, then I'll put it in the description. I love the highlighter. I want to see if they have other shades in this that are lighter and better on my skin tone. The primer I've had forever, I just never use it. And I mean, it's a pore filling primer. It does what it says it's supposed to do. All the eyeshadows I loved. The blush I really love, even though like it goes on really pigmented, but it blends out so well. And then the eyebrow pencil, I love the product, but I don't love the spoolie on it. So I could probably use it with just a regular spoolie. And then the mascara is, I mean, it's mascara. I don't think it's better than my Lash Paradise mascara, but I mean, it does what mascara is supposed to do. And then the concealer, of course, is one of my favorites, the Age Rewind, and I've always loved it. And then the lip stuff I love too. So pretty much everything I liked except the powder I'm a little unsure about, but we'll see. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what kind of videos you want me to do, and you should give this video a thumbs up for all my swatches on my hands, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!
For a thumbnail? Maybe not that one.
You know what? I'm just going to take this moment and take a selfie.
That's really good.
Sound is recording now, though. So that is, oh wait, maybe I should take this out.
I like how I was like, okay, bye.
Bye.
And then done.